How to change billing address on Shop app. Need to update your billing address in the Shop app? Let's walk you through the simple steps. So, start by opening Shop app and then sign into your account. Now, head over into your cart if you already have items in your cart, or if you don't have items in your cart, simply select an item from the Explore section and then add it to your cart. And then on this section, click on this Continue to Checkout button, and this would take you into the checkout page. So on the checkout page, you'd be able to find the current address that you're using along with your information that you've entered in here. So go ahead and replace the information into the section and then select your payment method, and then go ahead and click on the Pay Now button to pay it immediately. So that is how you can basically change the billing address on Shop app.